Assalamu alaikum beautiful people, welcome to my channel Travel Sightseer. I'm Aasma Mahmood, and today we're going to do Ziyarah around Medina, but this time we're going to go on the hop on hop off bus. So come on, I'll give you a tour on the hop off bus and show you what kind of service it is. So let's go. So the hop on hop off bus operates from 6:30 in the morning till 9:30 in the evening. This stop is right next to the Medina photo frames. Guys, it's the hop on hop off bus, and these will stop the green route and then the red route. There's 12 locations they will stop at. Do all your ziyarat. But guys, this doesn't show you all the ziyarats. If you get a private taxi, they'll show you a lot more. But these are just the basics. So tickets are valid for 24 hours, and the adult is 80 Saudi Riyal and child is 40 Saudi Riyals. So there are two routes, green route and a red route. So the green route is around Masjid al Nabwei, and then the red route, it goes further out and shows you more of the ziyarat around. So I'll show you on each stop. So the full circuit, green route and the red route, takes around 2 hours. When you get onto the hop on hop bus, you'll get this leaflet which shows you what's at each stop, the green route and the red route. You'll also get some headphones which you can plug onto the side and choose your language, and it will give you a history of each ziyarat, each history location. It will tell you about the history, what happened there, and a proper detailed history. So definitely recommend to listen to that. So the first stop was where we got onto the bus, which was just outside Masjid al Nabwei. So now we're heading to stop number 2. So we're not going to get off at stop number 2, but I'll show you from the bus. So it is Jannat al Baqi, so I'll show you when we get there. So we are now heading to stop number 2, and you can see everyone walking towards Masjid al Nabwei. So right in front is Masjid al Nabwei, and on the right hand side this is Jannat al Baqi. So if you wish to, you can get off at this stop and get the bus again from the same stop. So the bus is every 30 minutes. So only men are allowed to go into Jannat al Baqi, and there are timings that you can go, and women are not allowed. I will try and show you a bit of Medina on our way as well. You can see how beautiful it is and how clean it is. So this green route will go all around Masjid al Nabwei, so you can see a full 360 around the mosque. So this is the side I stayed in when I came on my trip in October 2023. This is where Prophet Muhammad ﷺ's biography is, and the museum. So these two places I definitely highly recommend to visit. There's a lot of history in there, you'll learn so much. I would definitely recommend it. This is towards gate 310, 309. So we are now approaching stop number 3. So this is Masjid al Ghamamah. So you have a lot of seating area here, and if you go around the mosque there are some food places like Hardees, KFC, Krispy Kremes, and there's also places there you can sit down and eat. There's a lot of jewellery shops there as well, and on the left hand side there's a shopping mall and there's a money exchange, and just over here you can see there's Ahmed perfumes as well. And so this stop you can do some shopping as well, and a bit of sightseeing and see some Islamic history.
اللهم صل على
Jabal al-Ruhma is a small mountain in front of Mount Uhud. This is where Prophet Muhammad ﷺ appointed 50 archers under the command of Abdul bin Jubair at Jabal al-Ruhma. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said to Abdul bin Jubair, "Drive off the horses from us, lest we should be attacked from the rear. Whether we win or lose the battle, stand steadily at your position. See that we are not attacked from your side." Seeing the battle was going in the favour of the Muslims and the policies were retreating, creating a happy feeling among the Muslim archers, and they chased the escaping enemy and went to collect the treasures left behind. So many began to leave the position from Mount Ruhma. Abdul bin Jubair tried his best to remind the archers of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ's command and told them to stay on. No more than 10 archers listened to him, arguing that the orders given by Prophet Muhammad ﷺ were only for the duration of the actual fight. The enemy then noticed the unguarded path in the rear, making a flank movement, and forced a passage through it and fell right on the rear of the Muslims, who were preoccupied with the treasures. Abdul bin Jubair was martyred on the spot. This sudden attack by the policies created a temporary confusion in the Muslim ranks, and they stopped chasing the Magan army. The chaotic conditions of the Muslims' rank encouraged Ikramah bin Abi Jahl and Abu Sufyan to stop fleeing, and they gathered their soldiers together to launch another attack on the Muslims while they were in the state of turmoil. This sudden onslaught only added to the troubles and losses in the Muslim ranks. To be cheated of victory over the Quraysh when it was within grasp was a great disappointment to Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, especially as the archers had disobeyed a direct instruction. At this bitter moment, the holy verse of the Quran came down to console and guide him with the following words: "By the mercy of Allah, you have softened towards them. Had you been rough, hard-hearted, they would have dispersed away from you. So pardon them, ask forgiveness for them, and consult them in affairs. Once you make a decision, then trust in Allah. Allah loves those who trust Him." The Quran ordered him to forgive them, as Allah in His mercy forgives their errors, and not only was He to forgive them, but to call them to Him and consult them in affairs. This restored their self-respect. Careful. Is the Martyrs of Uhud Cemetery. The Martyrs of Uhud Cemetery contains the bodies of 70 Shaheeds who were killed during the Battle of Uhud, the most notable being the uncle of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, Hamza bin Abdul Muttalib. I would request everyone to recite Surah Fatiha.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
محمد نبينا بنور هدينا من مكة حبيب نور سطع المدينة. محمد نبينا بنور هدينا من مكة حبيب نور سطع المدينة. محمد نبينا بنور
So this is Masjid al Qiblatain, which means Mosque of Two Qiblas. This masjid is very important for Muslims, as this is the place where Prophet Muhammad ﷺ received the command to change the Qibla, which is the direction of prayer from Jerusalem to Mecca. The entire congregation left by the companion changed direction in prayer. The name of the masjid goes back to the lifetime of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, when his companions named it after this event took place. So guys, I'm gonna go pray to Nafil on the left hand side and the women on the right hand side. So me, I'm gonna go and pray to Nafil. So this is the direction of the new Qibla, and the old Qibla was on the other side. So you can pray to Nafil Salah here, or if it's Salah time you can pray your Salah here, make your du'as, and remember to keep me and my prayers in your du'as as well. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe and like my channel. Also share the video to everyone who are unable to make it on this beautiful journey, and you can see all these places through my eyes. So this is Masjid al Khandaq, 7 mosque named after the companions of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. So this modern Masjid al Khandaq, or the Mosque of the Trench, which is also referred as the Mosque of the Conquest, is the modern mosque at this site. Is connected to the Battle of the Trench, which took place during the time of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. The mosque is located in the Trench area northwest of Medina. You can also follow the path up some stairs, and there are smaller mosques where you can pray to Nafil as well. This Masjid al Quba is one of the oldest mosques in the history of Islam, and it's said that the first stones were laid by Prophet Muhammad ﷺ when he came back from Mecca. If you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all my upcoming vlogs. And the next vlog will be all about Masjid al Nabwei. I'll show you inside and around Masjid al Nabwei, so make sure to watch my next vlog. Thank you for watching.